So ito na guys, international lawyer Nicholas Kaufman nagsalita na tungkol dun sa pag-approve ni Pangulong Duterte dun sa magiging isa siyang magsisilbi siyang defense team ni Pangulong Duterte dito sa gagawing second trial dito sa ICC or International Criminal Court. Pakinggan natin yung sinabi niya dito na nakuha siyang magpa-unlock ng interview sa mga media. Let's go.
How many are you looking, sir, if you may tell us?
Presently in time, I've just been appointed. It's my job, and I'm privileged to carry this job out to compose a team for him.
All right.
That will obviously be done in complete consultation with him and all those around him.
All right.
Who else will compose the defense team?
Ability to comment on that at the moment.
Can we say that, have you been...
I was formally appointed.
Right, but
So has it been
ICC
confirmed
approved that?
already by the ICC?
Yeah.
I believe that's something that be introduced into the court system today.
All right. So what do we expect from here on, sir?
A strong defense.
Yeah,
Sir, are you confident?
Ayun yung sabi niya, strong defense daw. Maganda to.
You will be able to bring back home former President Duterte?
I certainly hope so.
I hope so, sabi niya. Napakaganda dito ng mga sagutan ni international lawyer attorney Kaufman. Talagang limited yung mga sagot niya dito sa mga tanong sa kanya.
Any petitions to file prior to the confirmation of charges hearing on September 23?
There will be petitions, obviously. Once again, it's not for me to comment on the defense strategy at this moment in time.
According to the rules, there is a process called disclosure of evidence. Has that started yet?
That should start once council's appointed, and as I said, it's early days yet.
All right, sir. Where are you headed now, sir? You've met with the Vice President Sara Duterte as well.
Indeed, I am.
What was like any message that the first message that the President gave to you?
That he's in good spirits and looking forward to conducting his defense.
How often are you able to visit the former President?
I'm available to visit the former president as long as I'm here, as long as I'm allowed to do so. I have promised him that I will come every day that I'm in The Hague.
Do you have any information if the request of the Vice President to visit his father has already been approved?
I'm not at liberty to discuss matters like that.
Sir, finally, yesterday during a press conference by Attorney Harry Roque, he said that the President should decide on whether to take legal aid from the court or, fund it himself. Would you know what the decision is?
I'm not at liberty to discuss matters of funding and how the defense will be composed.
Yun, napakaganda ng mga
Thank you
sagutan
so
So for now, we can say that
limited.
you are the only confirmed
Counsel.
legal counsel for the ICC case.
Once again, that's subject to any publication that might be on the ICC website and the decision of the registry. Hopefully that will be completed by.
Is there any reason why the President hasn't signed yet the nomination for Attorney Harry Roque and Attorney Medialdea?
As I told you, first things first. There is a need, first of all, for senior counsel to be appointed, a counsel who's experienced in matters at the ICC, and it's that counsel's job to compose the team. It's early days yet. No one is entitled to draw any conclusion whatsoever from what has been or hasn't been done with respect to nominations at this point in time.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you so
All right.
much, Attorney
Do you have a calling card?
Not on me, no. You all know how to catch me if necessary.
So ayun na yung mga naging tanungan dito kaya Attorney Kaufman talagang limited siyang sumagot sa mga media, sa mga interviewer at yun yung palagi niyang sinasabi na masyado pang maaga para sagutin niya yung mga katanungan nitong mga media na to and ayon sa kanya si Kaufman, si Attorney Nicholas Kaufman pa lang yung kumpirmado si Attorney Salvador Medialdea is wala pang confirmation na kasama ba siya sa bubuuhing defense team para kaya Pangulong Duterte, pero si Kaufman talagang confirm na at malalaman natin yung magiging resulta nito kasi itong si Kaufman marami na itong naipanalong mga kaso, kasama na dito yung kay Gaddafi yung sa Libya, which is mas malala yung kaysa kay Pangulong Duterte at naipanalo niya yung kaso na yun. Sana naman is magkaroon na ng katarungan yung nangyari sa dati nating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. At ayun lang subscribe na kayo para sa mga latest update dito sa nangyayaring ICC hearing para kay Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. At Yun lang, thank you.
Audio Jungle.